Imagine a simple drink that could improve your sleep, reduce inflammation, and boost your overall well-being. No, it's not a magic potion from Hogwarts. This drink can also enhance your skin health, giving you a radiant and youthful glow. Say goodbye to expensive creams and hello to your new skincare BFF. This isn't a fantasy, it's turmeric water, a natural remedy used for centuries in traditional medicine. From ancient Ayurvedic practices to modern wellness routines, turmeric has been celebrated for its healing properties. And no, you don't need to chant while drinking it. Turmeric, the spice that gives curry its vibrant yellow color, is a nutritional powerhouse. Rich in curcumin, it has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Basically, it's like a superhero in spice form. It contains compounds with potent medicinal properties, making it a valuable addition to your diet. These compounds can help fight chronic diseases, improve brain function, and even lower the risk of heart disease. Who knew a spice could be so talented? One of the easiest and most enjoyable ways to enjoy turmeric's benefits is by incorporating turmeric water into your nightly routine. Drinking it before bed can help you unwind and prepare for a restful night's sleep. It's like a lullaby in a cup. This warm, soothing drink is easy to prepare and can be customized to your liking. Add a dash of honey, a sprinkle of black pepper, or a squeeze of lemon to enhance its flavor and benefits. Just don't add them all at once, unless you're feeling adventurous. Join us as we explore the life-changing benefits of drinking turmeric water at night. From improved digestion to better skin, the advantages are numerous and well documented. And no, you won't turn yellow. Discover how this golden elixir can help you achieve optimal health and well-being. Embrace the tradition and science behind turmeric water and see the positive changes it can bring to your life. Cheers to your health, one golden sip at a time. Turmeric, scientifically known as Curcuma longa, is a rhizomatous herbaceous plant that has been revered for centuries. And no, it's not just a fancy word for superroot. It belongs to the ginger family, Zingiberaceae, and shares many of its cousins' beneficial properties. Think of it as ginger's cooler, more vibrant sibling. Native to Southeast Asia, turmeric has been a cornerstone in traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine for thousands of years. These ancient practices have long utilized turmeric for its potent healing properties. They knew what was up way before it was trendy. Ancient healers recognized turmeric's therapeutic properties, using it to treat a wide range of ailments from wounds and infections to digestive issues and respiratory problems. They often combined it with other herbs to enhance its effectiveness. Basically, they were the original mixologists. Today, modern science is catching up with ancient wisdom, confirming turmeric's impressive health benefits. Researchers have identified curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, as a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant agent. It's like the superhero of spices. Numerous studies have demonstrated turmeric's potential to reduce inflammation, protect against chronic diseases, and promote overall well-being. It has shown promise in managing conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and even certain cancers. Who knew a root could be so talented? Incorporating turmeric into your diet is a simple yet powerful way to tap into nature's healing power. You can add it to your meals, beverages, or even take it as a supplement. From golden lattes to savory curries, the possibilities are endless. Embrace this ancient spice and experience its modern benefits for yourself. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. The key to turmeric's remarkable health benefits lies in its active compound, curcumin, or as I like to call it, the superhero of spices. Curcumin is a polyphenol with potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Think of it as the Batman and Robin of the health world. Antioxidants protect your body from damage caused by free radicals, those pesky villains that can damage cells and contribute to aging and disease. Free radicals meet your match. Inflammation is a natural process that helps your body heal and fight infection. It's like your body's own fire department rushing to the rescue. However, chronic inflammation can contribute to various health problems, including heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Not exactly the kind of party guest you want. Curcumin's potent anti-inflammatory effects help combat chronic inflammation, protecting your body from these debilitating conditions. So think of curcumin as your body's personal bouncer, keeping the bad guys out. A good night's sleep is crucial for overall health and well-being. And let's be honest, nobody likes waking up feeling like a zombie. It allows your body to repair and rejuvenate, leaving you feeling refreshed and energized in the morning. Ready to conquer the world, or at least your to-do list? Turmeric water can help improve your sleep quality in several ways. And no, it won't turn you into a pumpkin at midnight. First, curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce pain and discomfort, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Say goodbye to tossing and turning like a rotisserie chicken. Second, turmeric can help regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, promoting more restful sleep. No more counting sheep until you lose track. Finally, the warm, soothing nature of turmeric water can help calm your mind and body, preparing you for a peaceful night's rest. So you can dream about winning the lottery or finding the perfect parking spot. Section 5. Fight inflammation, turmeric's natural anti-inflammatory power, or as I like to call it, the inflammation terminator. As mentioned earlier, chronic inflammation is a major contributor to many chronic diseases. It's like that annoying guest who just won't leave the party. Turmeric's potent anti-inflammatory properties make it a valuable tool for combating inflammation and protecting your health. Think of it as your body's bouncer, kicking out the troublemakers. Curcumin works by blocking inflammatory pathways in the body, reducing the production of inflammatory molecules. It's like putting up a no-entry sign for inflammation. Regular consumption of turmeric water can help reduce systemic inflammation, lowering your risk of developing chronic diseases such as heart disease, arthritis, and certain types of cancer. So drink up and let turmeric be your health superhero. Section 6. Radiant Skin Turmeric Water for a healthy glow, or as I like to call it, the secret potion for looking like you just walked out of a skincare commercial. Turmeric is renowned for its skin-enhancing properties. Seriously, it's like Mother Nature's own Instagram filter. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects can help protect your skin from damage, promote collagen production, and improve skin tone. Basically, it's like having a personal skincare army. Curcumin can help protect your skin from sun damage, reducing the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. Think of it as your skin's very own superhero cape. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties can also help soothe skin conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. It's like a spa day in a glass. Drinking turmeric water regularly can help you achieve a healthy, radiant glow from within. So, bottoms up to glowing like a light bulb. Section 7. Soothe your gut, turmeric water for digestive harmony, or as I like to call it, the golden ticket to a happy tummy. Turmeric has long been used in traditional medicine to support digestive health. It's like the ancient secret your gut's been waiting for. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe the digestive tract, reducing symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and gas. Say goodbye to those awkward belly rumbles. Curcumin can also help stimulate the production of bile, a digestive fluid that helps break down fats. Think of it as your personal fat-busting superhero. Regular consumption of turmeric water can help promote a healthy gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria that reside in your gut and play a crucial role in digestion and overall health. It's like hosting a party for all the good bacteria in your belly. Section 8. Pain relief, turmeric's potential to ease discomfort, or as I like to call it, the golden knight in shining armor. Turmeric's potent anti-inflammatory properties make it a natural pain reliever. It's like having a tiny superhero in your spice rack. Studies have shown that curcumin can be as effective as some over-the-counter pain medications in reducing pain and inflammation. Who knew your kitchen could double as a pharmacy? Turmeric water can be particularly helpful for people with chronic pain conditions such as arthritis. And no, you don't need a prescription for this golden elixir. Back pain and headaches? It's like a spa day for your insides. By reducing inflammation, turmeric can help alleviate pain and improve mobility. So you can finally do that yoga pose without feeling like a pretzel. Section 9. Boost your energy. Turmeric water for natural vitality. Feeling sluggish and fatigued, like a zombie in a Monday meeting? Turmeric water can help boost your energy levels naturally. No magic wands needed. Curcumin's antioxidant properties protect your cells from damage, improving cellular function and energy production. It's like giving your cells a superhero cape. Turmeric can also help improve blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your cells more efficiently. Think of it as a traffic cop for your bloodstream. Incorporating turmeric water into your daily routine can help you feel more energized and revitalized throughout the day. Say goodbye to the 3 p.m. slump and hello to your new best friend, turmeric water. Section 10. Brewing the perfect cup. Preparing turmeric water. Today, we will guide you through the simple yet rewarding process of making turmeric water, a beverage known for its numerous health benefits. And no, it won't turn you into a superhero, but it's pretty close. Preparing turmeric water is incredibly simple. Here's a basic recipe that you can easily follow at home to enjoy this golden elixir. Spoiler alert, it's easier than making instant noodles. Ingredients: 1 cup or 240 milliliters of water. Make sure to use filtered water for the best results. Tap water is fine, but let's aim for gourmet, shall we? Half a teaspoon or 2 grams of ground turmeric. Turmeric is the star ingredient, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Think of it as the Beyoncé of spices. Optional, a pinch of black pepper, which enhances curcumin absorption. Curcumin is the active compound in turmeric that provides most of its health benefits. It's like the Robin to turmeric's Batman. And optional, a squeeze of lemon juice for taste and vitamin C. Lemon adds a refreshing tang and boosts the immune system, plus it makes you feel fancy. Instructions. 1. Combine the water and turmeric in a small saucepan. Stir well to ensure the turmeric is fully dissolved. Think of it as a mini workout for your wrist. 2. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld and the beneficial compounds to be released. It's like a spa day for your ingredients. 3. Strain the turmeric water into a mug. This step removes any undissolved turmeric particles, giving you a smooth drink. No one likes chunky water, right? 4. Add black pepper, lemon juice, or other desired ingredients. You can also add a touch of honey or a cinnamon stick for extra flavor. Go wild, it's your drink. And 5. Enjoy your warm and soothing turmeric water. This drink is perfect for starting your day or winding down in the evening. Sip slowly and savor the health benefits. And remember, you're basically drinking liquid gold. Section 11. Embrace the golden ritual, incorporating turmeric water into your nightly routine, or as I like to call it, the golden ticket to dreamland. Drinking turmeric water at night is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your health and well-being. Plus, it makes you feel like a health guru without the need for a yoga mat. Try incorporating it into your nightly routine by enjoying a cup 30 minutes to an hour before bed, just enough time to finish that last episode of your favorite show. This will give your body time to absorb its beneficial compounds and prepare you for a restful night's sleep. And who doesn't want to wake up feeling like a well-rested superhero? You can also experiment with different flavors and ingredients to create your perfect cup of turmeric water. Think of it as your nightly potion-making session. Embrace the golden ritual of drinking turmeric water at night and experience the transformative benefits for yourself. Your future self will thank you and maybe even send you a thank you note. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Also, click the link below for exclusive content and additional resources to help you on your wellness journey. Your support means a lot and helps us to continue to bring you valuable information. So hit that subscribe button and let's stay healthy together. And remember, turmeric water today, superhero tomorrow.